Our house is ready, all stacked. Hello friends, welcome to Kids Time. Today, we are going to make 3 different houses. We'll make farmers. So let's get started. First, use the purple. Make full of the box. There's 4 squares on it. Put them like a 3-block box shape. And then put the little triangle on it. Put 1 square to make it like a roof. And get another one from the circle in the middle. House number 1. This is purple. House number 2. Get the pink one and make a 4 box squares. Make it like a 3 box again. This time, put the door on it. Put 1 pink like this for a roof. Then get another pink for it. And get a triangle. Go. Yay! House number 2 is ready. Whee! It's fun. Turn it around. Okay. House number 3. This time, put the 6th one on it. 5 squares first. Then you can put this one circle too. Yay! Here's a box. And then get a triangle, which is red. Stick them on it. And then house number 3 is ready. Now, time to stack them together. Whee! It's fun stacking. Whee! Good. Okay, now our house is ready, all stacked. Do you want to make one? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.